What are you guys doing this evening? So last week, I did a little something. I bought a new toy, and I got an oscillating drill press. And this is like a multi-tool, so I'll be able to drill out my candle holders, and I'll be able to sand like my charcuterie board handles and all kinds of curves and stuff. So this is going to be a handy tool. I just spent the last, I don't know, maybe hour just under putting it together. And it's actually seems to be made pretty well. It's the same brand as my planer. It's a Shop Fox, and this is a Shop Fox, and it's a floor model. Okay, and it retails for $1,000, but since I'm like a super cheap ass, frugal, I found it on sale for $300. So I was like, nah, couldn't pass that deal up. And the killer was the shipping, $200 shipping. But it's here, and it arrived safely. And I got everything put together. This thing's got a bunch of different speeds. And this is the pulley for the oscillation to make the chuck go up and down. But this is going to exponentially cut time down on sanding and my drilling. Like when I drill these out, I use almost a 3-inch Forstner bit. That's difficult to control with a regular hand drill. And I messed 2 up, and I said, that's it. I'm not doing any more with a regular drill until I get a drill press. And I have it. So I'm in the process of working on a little small project. And then when I am done with that, I am going to start pounding out all kinds of candle holders. Okay. But yeah, that's the update on this. The crops are still flooded right now, so there's not a whole lot that I can go do out there. So I'm hoping tomorrow the water will recede enough to where I can get in there and start doing some hoeing. And I got to cut suckers off the tomatoes. Not looking forward to that job. So I guess I can give you a little sneak peek. I'm in the middle of it, so it's not anywhere near done yet. Still in the process. But I'm making an address placard for a friend of ours. And it's going to have a roof, and then I'm going to put like these little wood shingles on the roof. And we're going to make just a tiny little 1/4-inch deep hole right there to make it look like a bird hole and a perch. So it's going to look like a birdhouse, but they're going to hang it on a front post in their front yard or on their, their front porch. So that's what I'm up to today. Been busy. So tomorrow will be the next episode. Happy farming, y'all. Later.